could be a potentially crippling port strike.
Supply chain disruption here.
Going to be short of technicians for years.
2024 brought its share of challenges for maintenance professionals. While many teams grappled with rising costs, shifting regulations, frequent breakdowns, and chaotic reactive maintenance, Limble customers found innovative solutions to tackle external pressures and take their maintenance program to new heights.
The most sweeping food safety rules in decades.
We needed a CMMS software that was able to be compliant with these regulations. They see that we're validated, that we're CFR compliant, no more questions.
Severity of a workforce shortage across the country.
Limble has made it much easier to train.
Any new person that we've had, they've all bought in real quick.
They like using it because it's easy to use.
Limble does just help with the hiring process.
You could see some disruption in manufacturing.
Limble has allowed the output of the entire facility to increase 25%.
We're at around 98% uptime throughout the facility.
At Limble, we're proud to be fueling your success by automating workflows with powerful integrations, launching the Limble Community, a platform for maintenance professionals to share ideas, celebrate wins, and connect with peers, and honoring your dedication with the first ever Limble Maintenance Hero Awards. From seamless integrations to 24/7 expert support, Limble has your team covered.
We knew that we were ready for a big switch, and that went really, really seamlessly.
Limble is there all the time, every time.
I would thank the Limble team for the support they've given us.
It's never been easier to modernize your maintenance program, improve safety at your facility, and reduce equipment downtime.
All that at your fingertips. Why would you not want it?
With Limble, make the challenges of today the past and build a safer, more modern maintenance future.